Right, well, here's the engine all done. Although one problem with running I've noticed is the crankshaft here. The pin's obviously not been soldered in properly or something like that, so I might fix that today. But other than that, we got a sweet runner, heaps of power. I put my fingers on here as hard as I want and the engine won't stop. Got an O-ring in the cylinder and just a normal slide valve there. Slipper centric, so it can reverse. The slipper centric might be a bit too slippery, as when you run it really slow it tends to bounce it into reverse and then forwards and reverse and then forwards. But that can be fixed today as well, I think. Anyway, I'll stick it on a little bit of air and we'll see how it goes. So as you can see, sweet runner. I might have to fix that crankshaft today, as it doesn't look like it's been silver soldered properly, but it can be fixed. But yeah, no, it runs a treat. Quite happy with it. Yeah.